Hi friends, this is Tushar P. Kute from Mythoscilologies. Our today's topic of discussion is on Python programming, how to find the help on different functions, methods in Python. Even if you don't know the methods or functions that will be applied on a variable or on any object, then also we can find the methods and its implementation with example. Python has given this useful thing already inbuilt it, but how do I make use of it? So let's try practically here. So I'm opening my Python terminal now here. So let's check this one. So I'm using Python 3. Okay, so let's see. First of all, I'll declare a variable. Let's have a string variable here. S is equal to hello world. Okay, so let's check that. If you print this S on the screen, it prints hello world. Now I know that there's a function, there's a method by which we can convert this particular text into uppercase. The method name is upper, so it's dot upper upper. Okay, so let's see this converting it. So upper is a method of string class, S is the object of string. Now like upper, there are so many methods available that will work on the strings. How to use this one, that's what we have seen here, but I want to know about all the methods that I can apply on strings. How do you know it? So you need to either go to web, internet, search for the methods, or you have to read a book in which the method names are written. Rather than doing this one, we can make use of a useful function in Python which will enlist the names of all the method that I can apply on S. How to do this one? So let's have that dir. So check this. It will list all the methods which we can apply on the variable S. See, lot many methods are available. I'll just use the upper, this method. Now many such methods are there. You can find that lstrip, index, ends with, is lower, is upper, then translate, then ljust or numeric case, swap case, like many methods are available. Make sure that these methods are different depending upon the variables. Like for example, if I'm using one integer variable here like this, and if I write dir of I, these are the integer methods. Check it out. So all these methods can be applied on the integer variable. Okay, so if I change the types, obviously it will get changed. We'll go to the collection object now. Just check it as I'll make one more, x is equal to the list. Let's check this. So x is a list, and if I want to show the parameters, these are the list methods. List can contain these methods. So if I want to apply and make use of it, so I can make, let's just take in one example here. I want to reverse this list, so is the reverse present there, x dot reverse, and check this, it's reversed like this. So depending upon the type of parameter, dir function will return the list of all the methods that I can apply on the respective object. Okay, so list is shown, but how do I know how to use this particular method which I've shown over here? But there is one more function called as help. This help function is used to find the help regarding a particular variable and its methods. Let's see, I want to check the help of one of the methods. Like I want to see the swap case. We have seen the swap case method, or let's see, x dot, if I write swap case, not x, it is s, my previous variable, hello world. I know that how to use it, but the syntax can be seen with the help of help. So let's see, help of, or this method along with its object, I need to put in the round brackets, that is parenthesis. So it will show the help of it. See, help on this function. It's s object dot swap case, return type is string, return a copy of s with uppercase characters converted to lowercase and vice versa. To come out of it, I'm pressing Q. See, this is the way to see the help. And not only that, if I want to see x is a list and it contains sort method there. See, l dot sort, l is list, key, so it contains two parameters also, key is equal to none and reverse equal to false. It returns nothing, stable sort, implies sort. So sorting the data, how to use it? Two parameters keyword arguments are present there whose values are none, and that also we can make use of it. Just check this one. Its syntax is showing it's containing a reverse parameter whose default value is false. So the sorting is done in ascending order. So I am to do in descending order. I want to make use of this reverse parameter and make it true. So let's see this, x dot sort, and reverse is true. Check this, reverse sort, which I have done here with the help of this sort method. So the method will show the syntax of it, its default arguments, and if you want to change it, you can change with this particular method. So this is how help method can be used. Help is having some usefulness beyond this also, like I want to find the help of a function, like there's a function called as len. So len function will show the length of this particular object, that is collection object, and there is one more method like max, there is one more method function like sum. See, finding maximum of it, sum of it, these are the functions. They are not associated with any kind of object. So to find the help of them, help function will be useful. Let's see, help of len, check it out. Return the number of items in the container, or help of sum. See what it shows, returns a list of start value plus its iterable numbers, total collection elements, their addition will be shown by the sum. Okay, so this is how the functions can also be used as a parameter to help function to show the help of them, and what kind of parameter we can pass, that we can see from this particular help here. Not only that, but help can help you to find the list of all the functions present inside a module or a package. So let's see that one. Let's check it. For example, I'm having the math module here. I imported math, and in the math module, what are the functions available that I can use, and how to use that also I can see. So if we pass this math as parameter to the help, so you can check this one. See, it's a module and its functions like ecos, ecosage, ascend, tan, like all of their names or their meaning will be shown. See, all of this, all, if you are not aware of, so even data also, e, inf, nan, pi, these are the variables which are present inside the math models, which I can see. So this help can be applicable to all the methods that are by default available in Python, plus the methods or the models which are installed afterwards with the help of pip or any anaconda or any other methods in your Python, as you can see. And for this case also, I want to find the help of a respective method from the module. So for example, math.sign. So see this one, help built-in function sign in module math, sign of x, return the sign of x, method invariance. See, this is how you can see the help of respective functions within a given module or given package. That's how we can make use of the help function, and this is applicable to all kind of functions, packages, models, methods present in Python. So if you're not knowing any kind of functions or any models and how to use that, so you can effectively make use of these particular functions, dir as well as the help. So there'll be no any obstacles while learning the way of your Python programming. Thank you. Thanks a lot. If you're having any queries, you can contact us at contact@mitu.co.in, or we are expecting the comments, if queries, questions, doubts, as a part of the comment to this particular video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.